Hello, my name is Jason Butler and I lead our experience design practice at OCI. I'm going to walk you through a brief demo highlighting our machine learning optimization capabilities. So to set the stage, let's look at a common scenario that would benefit from our machine learning models, scheduling medical appointments. We can see here a very full calendar. And even though it's full, we're going to create a new appointment. Now, this demo was created for a custom solution, but it's important to note that we can integrate into your existing EHR or scheduling platform. So in this scenario, we have several constraints common in a healthcare setting, such as various locations to choose from. There are patients, in this case residents. And then there are various constraints that are associated with the appointment itself, such as appointment type, whether it's a new or existing patient, and really any others that make sense for your specific scenarios. These are all things that can be included in a build of this. We also have dates that are associated with it. In this case, we have a specific date and a specific time, but if we leave this blank, then we can let the machine learning algorithms create a schedule for us. When we hit create appointment, it's going to go into a draft state so that nothing happens without us at least seeing it once and then approving it. So now that we have an appointment, we'll take a look at a different calendar that is also very full. So if we click on this Insights button, we're going to see that a little bit of information here. We have 30 hours of the week is spent with residents, and we think that maybe we can do a little bit better. So if we run our optimizer, there's going to be some machine learning happening in the background, and it's going to rearrange things, and it's going to free up some spots so that we're now able to spend 38 hours a week with our residents. Now, it's important to note that we've chosen time spent with residents as the thing to optimize for this demo, but our machine learning models can optimize based on any constraints available in the system, and they're customizable based on your specific situation, and they can also be combined. I'll show you one other thing here. If we reset this, you'll notice that some of the appointments have stars next to them, and this means that they can't be moved. The rest of them have a little bit of flexibility. And so if we run the optimizer, you'll notice that these with the stars are all going to stay put and allow everything else to flow around them. If you like what you see, let us know, and we'll be more than happy to show you more. Thank you.